previous video, I have explained you about how to create class for the Google Classroom and how to add teachers and the students. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to give assignment to the student. So, once you log in, go to your desired class, then click on classwork, create, select assignment. Give title to your assignment. Let's say chapter 9 force. If you want to give some instruction to the student, you can write it in the instruction box. Then attach your assignment file. Click on file, upload your assignment. And here you can see that you have successfully uploaded your assignment. You can also add the YouTube link, even any other link from the website also. Once you have uploaded the assignment, you can set that student can only view this file or even student can edit it. Now then you can decide that whether you want to give it to all student or some particular student only. If you want to give some grade to the assignment, then you can mention over here, otherwise you can select as a ungraded. You can set your due date by clicking over here and selecting the date. Let's say we are setting as 17 April. If you want to set a time, you can set the time also. Your assignment is ready. Now if you want to give it to now, you can directly click on assign, and if you want to schedule it, you can schedule by clicking on the schedule and selecting time and date. So let's say I want to give it now, so I will click on assign. So here you have given the assignment to the student. Now at the student side, student can see the assignment that you have given. Click on classwork, then click on assignment, view assignment. Once the student will click over here, they can see the assignment, so student can access the assignment. Now if student want to reply over here, then they can click and they can give a comment over here. If they want to reply in the private, then they can comment in the private also. Once the student will complete assignment, they can upload over here. So they have to click on add or create, file. Student will upload their file, upload, and here we can see that the assignment is successfully uploaded, and then you need to click on turn in. So now here at the student side, they have successfully uploaded the assignment. Once the student has uploaded assignment, go to the classwork in the teachers tab, click on the assignment that you have given to the student. You can see that 1 turned in and now 0 is remain as assigned. So click on view assignment. You can see that we have submitted this assignment. Click on it. You can see that this file is attached by the student as a form of assignment. You can verify it, and as we have selected a non-graded subject, we need not to put any marks for it. So that's how you can verify the assignment from the student. Now in case if you are not satisfied with the assignment submitted by the student, you can click over here, turn in, select the student, and then click on return. So you can return with some comment also that what or which question is remaining, and then click on return. So at student side in the classwork, the student can see that whatever he has uploaded is returned back. So you need to again resubmit the assignment. So that's how you can give an assignment to the student with the help of Google Classroom.